expectation is the breeding ground for miracles. And this is something that I've learned even from a young age, to always be expectant of what God is getting ready to do in my life. Because sometimes we miss the things that are assigned to our lives and things that has our names on them, mainly because we aren't expecting anything. We can never grow, we can never expand, we can never escalate and even elevate if we don't function from a point of expectations. God has given us the ability and the opportunity to be able to dream bigger and to see even beyond our situations, and that's what allows us and grants us the chance and the opportunity to even experience greater things and better things in our lives. In most cases, people stand in one position and stay in one place mainly because they fail to dream and to even expand their vision. And this is what God has even afforded us to even be able to do, to be able to even feel happy in spaces when we are meant to feel sad, to be able to feel joyful in spaces where we are meant to be crushed, to be able to even feel loved in spaces where we aren't even loved, to even be able to walk in abundance even as we haven't fully experienced abundance. And that is what I'd like to say today, that let us learn to have expectations and let us learn to even dream beyond and above what we are experiencing for God to ultimately show up in our lives. And sometimes the things that are being sent our way require of us to even, clear up our lenses, the lenses of our eyes and visuals, so we could be able to see all things that are meant for us and that we are able to even live and even function in them.